Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Welcome everyone. As today we have an annual performance scorecard, however there is some issue which my manager asked to fix, as he wants full name to be organized as first name and last name. Let's do this quickly with a trick. We will go to Data tab, and now before proceeding further let's select the field I want to work on. Once selected, I will click on Text to Column, which will be open a small window. As you can see, we have two options available: delimited and fixed width. In our case we will select delimited and click on Next. Now we can see various delimiters to select from. We will select on space, and below we can see the result it will give, and we'll click on Next. Now it's time for the destination where it should process our result to. We want it under these first name and last name, so we'll select the first empty cell under first name and click on Finish. A dialog box will appear stating it will replace the data. We need to click on OK, and our work seems to be finished here. I should send this to my boss now. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.